We are live, October 9th, 2025. Let's get into the NQ charts. Pre-market high for the NQ 25,368. Midnight open 25,326.25 and pre-market low 25,295. So midnight open is right in the middle of this square, as you can see on my screen. So no elevated positions, but if it does break out above pre-market high or break below pre-market low, we will take an elevated position. It has been proven to be profitable for us, so that's what we're gonna do. And this market is a late stage bull market, so we're just kind of following the trend. We do want to buy pullbacks on the stocks that are in play, so that's kind of the current playbooks. I'm using another strategy here on ASTS. I'm shorting 5 shares. This is a sell the news type of play for me, so I'm using the daily candles as my stop loss. That's why the share size is so low. But I do expect this to kind of mean revert. But if it does take me out, it takes me out. So I am prepared to risk about $50 on this trade. It's about a $10 move for the stock. But let's see where we go here. Oh. People are definitely selling their positions. Just gonna see where this candle goes. Okay, we're gonna sell 2 short. Oh, and just like that, we need to get out. Just like that, we need to get out. This might be a play where it kind of chops a little bit and then goes down, and I will be prepared to take a position there, like right now. 5 more points for pre-market low break. There we go. There we go. How's Reddit looking? SNAM. Short SNAM. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take a little bathroom break, but I'll be right back. So right now we're just kind of bouncing above pre-market low, which is not part of my strategy. So I'm gonna just take a little break here. Okay, we have broken pre-market lows. I'm waiting for the pullback, and then we're gonna continue on the trend. I will say that I was just thinking about this position, this pending order, and I think some of the mistakes I make is that I love to predict what the stock wants to do versus just riding the trend. So like right now, I would want to ride this trend. So if I go to the Reddit, right, I would try to ride this trend as long as I can. So I would go like that. Let's see if I can sell. Okay, 295, waiting for the downturn. Pre-market low short. No, below too early. Still too early. If it goes, it goes. I just cannot take the trade if it goes like that. No, I just couldn't. Didn't pull back hard enough. So now it's orb time. It's orb time. 15-minute orb. Can't pull the trigger, so we're just gonna wait. Just gonna wait. MU, QBTS, RGTI. That is NDK. Okay. Like this is bullish. This is bullish. This is bearish. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, what it does here will be pretty significant. Patient, I can wait for this. It's triggering the criteria to enter, but if it's just green candle after green candle, it's invalidated. So I guess, yeah, just seeing where it wants to go here. If it makes another high, yep, can't enter on this candle unless it takes out the body. Unless it takes out the body. Okay, la 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 la. La la la. Okay, that was a bullish candle. Nothing to write home about. If this makes another high here, we cannot enter. Are you gonna push past it? I think so. Yep, can't enter just yet. Did it overtake anything? Green after green after green. Good thing I'm out of that Reddit position. No, I wanted to short AMD, and look what happened. That's bullish now. AMD still, I was gonna say Reddit is still bearish. Okay, let's see the candle close. I need it to come back below here. Yes. Okay, let's see what it wants to do. missed it. This candle scared the bejeebies out of me. Okay, about 2R on this trade. Let's lock it in. I'm okay with the risk there. I'll probably be my last trade. I missed this this orb short. I missed the orb short. I missed the pre-market low. Pre-market low. Break. So now I'm just looking to kind of do some scalping around. It's getting sold off, but it's not pooping past the standard deviation. So there's no euphoric selling or no crazy selling. Do you think AMD wants to give up some of this move though? Unless it holds strong, but let's see. I think these are some trap buyers at the top. 200's a level of interest again as usual. Let's check it out. Okay, another opportunity to short this thing. PGBs. Okay, well, enter on some puts here. Might be a little early. use this exact level as my stop loss. Let's see it happen. Nope, wrong way. Go the other way. I'd like 10% first. There we go. Okay, if it comes back up, we're not gonna let it turn negative on us. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, we're not gonna let it turn negative on us. 10% and we're out. Beautiful win. Beautiful win. Pre-market low break retest. We're still waiting for AMD to print out. We have Reddit at the 200 level. Yeah, we have good stuff happening. Okay, let me have my order here. So 291.42. 291.42. Okay, about $50, but then the reward is that I do want to come back here. So what's this? 55.32. Okay, nice, a little bit over 2R. Okay, so we got our orders in just in case this goes kind of crazy. Slow and steady. Reddit looks very interesting. We are selling off, so I might want to take a Reddit position here. It looks weak today. You can't buy. You cannot buy. Yeah, I couldn't hold it for that long. Oh man, it was just under 5 minutes. Oof, that does not look like a good chart. Just waiting for the smallest of pullbacks, but ooh. I'm curious what the next candle is for Reddit will be. interesting. That is very interesting. Technically, this means I should be going long, but let's see. I can wait. I don't have to be the first one in. Ah, perfect. AMD is just calming right back down. NQ is a little weak today. Yeah, oh yeah. NQ is weak. Everything is weak. The next candle that doesn't make the prior 1 minute highs, I'm gonna enter, depending on how everything looks, of course. Depending on everything looks. Nope, not that candle. I still want to fade this for Reddit. I still want to fade it. Oof. I will still fade it. Not that I don't believe in the move, but I think part of my intuition, I've just seen the pattern play out where it kind of does this false breakout despite what volume says, and we have the weak NQ, so we're gonna take a position. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. Okay, yep. Yeah, I didn't want to be the first one in, because right now this is a majorly bullish sign. If anything, I would have longed it here. Stop loss beneath here. But that path will not be crossed. Guys, I think we're done for today, because then right now everything else looks like a forced trade. Everything else feels and looks like a forced trade. We're in the upper limits here on Reddit. Doesn't look like it wants to stop. Oh man! Very good. Very good, AMD. Very good. I was gonna say we're having the reverse reaction on the video, but we're just hanging in slow. Guys, I think we're gonna be done for the day. So far, we just have chop. I do have this short position. It's kind of a sell the news type of day, a day 2 kind of play. Yeah, we're done for the day. We had one more loss to kind of have in our bullet. Yeah, I wanted to short that, but I have I'm just seeing mixed arguments of the two. Intuition tells me the short, but the volume candle told me otherwise. So we're not gonna do anything. Let's just jot some notes down and we'll call it a day. Okay, so that's that. So let's go back to the 6th or the 7th. $14, 230-point drop. See drop. Okay, then let's look at 10-6. Oh man, these charts look so not great. 200 to 8-point range. So 100-point range. $252. That's probably the cleanest move on the 6. So do I need any other pieces of data? Nope, I think I'm good. Okay, let's see what Reddit's up to. Yep, still on the uproar. Yeah, I'm waiting for some weakness here. Okay, good. This is the bounce, typical. Oh, very small candles from Tesla, not volatile. Guys, we'll be done for today. Thank you for tuning in. You see my current overnight swing for the short side, but otherwise don't really have something I'm looking for at this very moment. I don't want to overstep my welcome here. I typically am not a range trader, and that is exactly what we've been doing with a little bit of early downside, but we are stuck in a range. Not too much volatility. I'm not going to overstep my boundaries. I basically have one small loser and two regular winners. So we're gonna call it a day there. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully this has been instructive on kind of someone learning the ropes and kind of just working on myself, making sure the process is in check, and then the profits will come. But of course, rule 0, always protect your capital. Stay smart, trade safe. Catch you guys tomorrow.